Administration officials say the frontrunner is Judge Amy Coney Barrett. President Trump put her on the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals based in Chicago 3 years ago. At 48, she'd be the youngest justice. A native of Indiana, she's a former Notre Dame law professor and devout Catholic. In a 2003 Law Review article, she questioned the reluctance of federal courts to overturn precedents. Defenders of the Roe v. Wade abortion ruling cite decades of reliance on precedent as a reason to keep it. At her appeals court confirmation hearing in 2017, a Democratic senator said every religion has its dogma, but the law is different.
The conclusion one draws is that the dogma lives loudly within you. And that's of concern.
I would stress that my personal church affiliation or my religious belief would not bear on the discharge of my duties as a judge.
The president is also said to be considering Barbara Lagoa of Florida, who was the first Hispanic woman to serve on that state's Supreme Court. President Trump put her on the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals just last year. She's 52 and is the child of Cuban immigrant parents.
They left Cuba without anything but their education, their strong work ethic, and their desire to succeed. And these are values that they instilled in me.
She joined the majority earlier this month when the appeals court ruled that ex-felons in Florida cannot vote until they pay off all the fines and court costs they owe. There's been no official announcement yet, but it is likely that later this week Justice Ginsburg will lie in repose in the Supreme Court's main hall with a chance for the public to pay its respects.